Let's compare pay rate examples between care agencies and in-home care services direct, where the members set their own rates. For a nursing assistant or a caregiver, at care agencies you can earn between $19.88 and $43 an hour. But at in-home care services direct, you can earn over 65% more with $26 to $71 an hour. How about a nanny? What does a care agency pay for a nanny? If you're a nanny with a care agency, you can earn between $18.30 to $30 an hour. If you're a nanny registered with in-home care services direct, you can earn between $23 to $46 an hour, or more if the circumstances call for it. For a private nurse with an agency, you'll earn between $27.11 and $115.85. But on in-home care services direct, you can earn over 69% more. That's between $46 an hour and $143 an hour. We take no fees, plus it's free to register, and all the money you earn goes into your pocket. Let's look at some other differences. Can I set my own pay rate? No, not with an agency. They set their own rates. But you can with in-home care services direct. Can I choose to decline a job without repercussions? Well, if you keep doing that with an agency, they're less likely to call you. But with in-home care services direct, you're in control of everything. Will I be notified automatically when jobs are available? Not necessarily with care agencies. They may call other people before they call you, or they may be sharing the job with another agency. You're just never quite sure. But with in-home care services direct, you'll be notified immediately a job is posted. Will I be paid more so I can work less? No, not with an agency. They have their set rates. Definitely, with in-home care services direct, the more you earn, the less you have to work. Will I be free from timesheets? No, with care agencies, you'll need to put your timesheet in so that you can get paid. But there are no timesheets with in-home care services direct. How about, can I search for jobs 24/7? No, with agencies, they have to call you and offer you the job. But you certainly have that ability with in-home care services direct. Will I be able to see all my booked jobs online? No, with an agency you'll have to call them and find out what's happening. But you certainly have access to that information 24/7 with in-home care services direct. Will I be able to communicate with care seekers? Oh no, not on care agencies. They frown upon it and actively discourage it. But we encourage it, and we know that the more you talk with the people that are employing you, the better service you can provide and the happier you'll be. At inhomecareservicesdirect.com.au, you can enjoy higher pay rates, no administration fees, and it's free to join. You can use our messaging system to apply for jobs, and you can choose your working conditions, days and times. That's a better quality of life for you and your family.